Hello and welcome to this month's Deeper Learning 15-Minute Communications Challenge. This month we're going to be working on building a Wikipedia presence. And we're going to be doing this in the context of building the Wikipedia presence for grantees and also layering in the importance of linking to deeper learning within your Wikipedia presence. What we're going to cover today includes the challenge for the month, answering the question, should you be on Wikipedia and why? Looking at what the current state of deeper learning is on Wikipedia, thinking about getting started with your Wikipedia presence if you don't yet have one. We're going to talk about best communications practices for Wikipedia, and then bring it all back to integrating deeper learning into your Wikipedia page. First, let's talk about the challenge. The challenge is twofold. First, we want to make sure that your organization has a presence on Wikipedia. Then, we want to help you build credibility by linking to deeper learning resources. This all starts with the answer to a very simple question. Should I be on Wikipedia at all? We think the answer to this is yes. As the 8th highest traffic site on the internet, Wikipedia offers nonprofits a lot of visibility, and we've provided 2 articles here that give more evidence of why that you can peruse in your own time. Looking forward, we think that credibility really is the name of the game. Here are a few Wikipedia facts. Did you know a 2007 study by Google revealed that information on Wikipedia was almost as accurate as that on Encyclopedia Britannica? This accuracy comes from a particular place and is leveraged in very particular ways. Part of the reason why there's so much accuracy on Wikipedia has to do with linkages across articles and across web domains. This is how Google itself actually measures the credibility of sources. It looks at how many linkages a piece of content has to other types of content. And because Wikipedia is so heavily linked, it ranks at the very top in terms of its credibility. Using this credibility, journalists and other experts are able to go to Wikipedia and get information from this source and leverage that content directly into what they are producing, and this is exactly what they're doing. And you can read through some of these facts in your own time. Again, credibility is the name of the game. Connectivity to deeper learning and one another and other organizations that you're working with builds credibility for you. Here we've outlined 4 of the key best practices that Wikipedia itself provides as best practices for building a Wikipedia presence. We've highlighted the second here, which is about independent sources, linking to other websites, having website mentions, linking to articles, having news written about your organization. The more connectivity, the better. And this really is the premise of the challenge this month, is about creating more of this connective tissue across the organizations within the grantee pool, as well as with deeper learning. We did an initial assessment to find out how many deeper learning grantees currently have a Wikipedia page. We learned that it's a little under half. 46 of 116 grantees currently have Wikipedia pages. We then looked and saw that deeper learning has a Wikipedia page. This Wikipedia page is currently linking to a number of the grantees' sites, and you should all know that it is under development right now, and more linkage is being created. So that piece is being managed very intentionally right now. We also looked at who currently mentions and links to deeper learning on their Wikipedia page. And unfortunately, we only found one, or fortunately, we found one, which was the Alliance for Excellent Education. What we were looking to do this month is to increase the number of people who have Wikipedia pages and also those who are linking to deeper learning resources and to other grantees, all coming together with this core message of let's connect and strengthen our message by virtue of doing so. We've put together actually a separate presentation for those who do not have a Wikipedia page to give the basic steps for how to initiate that process. Creating a Wikipedia page isn't terribly complex, but once you create one, it does need to be managed. You see a URL here in the bottom right-hand corner for a separate PowerPoint, and you can navigate to this presentation using this URL. Alternatively, you can go to SlideShare and you can search by creating a Wikipedia page 101, reach strategies, and this will come up and walk you through that process. Moving forward, assuming that everyone has a Wikipedia page, we'd like to look at the challenge again in the context of some resources. And here I'm going to share that we have listed over 100 resources, and we, really meaning we, the grantees and Reach Strategies and Hewlett have worked together to compile a list of resources that is continuously evolving, and that is a tab within the editorial calendar that is sent out each month. And combing through those resources to identify the resources that are best suited for your message, and then linking to them using the hyperlinks that are provided within that spreadsheet is a great starting place for finding content related to deeper learning to put onto your Wikipedia page. Monica Martinez's Deeper Learning Planning Guide is an example of a very tangible resource that can be provided within a link. That's really popping out an example of one resource that is listed in that larger list of over 100 resources to give an idea of what that could look like. Again, mentioning deeper learning, as was shown in the Alliance, the screenshot of the Alliance's Wikipedia page, is great. Linking to a resource like this is fabulous, or whatever resource is appropriate. Another potential place to link to is the Hewlett's Deeper Learning landing page itself. And then another great place to link to is the Deeper Learning Wikipedia page that we're showing on the bottom right here. Again, all of this leading to more connectivity and consistent messaging across Wikipedia so as to build prominence. So this might actually be a 10-minute communications challenge this month, because we're about 10 minutes in, and I'm going to share that if you're able to create some of this linkage on your Wikipedia page, or add a Wikipedia page and you don't yet have one, you can use #DeeperLearning to share your success story on Twitter with us. Also, please know that Reach Strategies, myself, Kirk, we're available to be contacted to help with this effort in terms of what type of language you use within your Wikipedia page and how deeper learning is integrated, to share if there are resources we know about that might be best suited for your organization. And in terms of the challenge, what we're really looking for is a lot of growth. This is something that the program officers are really excited about at Hewlett, and what we're looking for is to really move the needle and to move from having less than half of the grantees having these Wikipedia pages and only one linking to deeper learning, to really having a presence across all of the Wikipedia pages of grantees linking to deeper learning, because this is the way that we can start to raise that message up. And I think that's going to be it for this month's Deeper Learning Communications Challenge. So thanks to all of those who are here online. We'll follow up with the slide deck and this video, and we'll also be following up to see about your progress by looking at this #DeeperLearning, as well as looking for your direct emails. Thank you.